I look like the girl from Kim Possible. Do y'all know who I'm talking about? And I'm okay with that. I actually love this hairstyle. Hello, mates. Why the hell did I just do that dumbass accent? Anyway, so this hair company, don't know how to pronounce it and I don't want to pronounce it wrong. They sent me bundles. Y'all thought I was gonna say a U-part wig. Nope. They sent me 3 bundles of this Brazilian curly hair. And in the spirit of boycotting hair salons, I decided that instead of going to a hair salon and getting a sew-in with this hair, I would just do a really cute low ponytail. Okay, so y'all, I have discovered, I didn't discover it. People been doing this. I just caught on to it. I've been doing this hair mask once a week with like avocado and egg and, well, it started off with aloe. I don't really put aloe in it anymore, but it's avocado and egg. And what else? Jojoba oil. I've been putting that in my hair once a week. When I say I have noticed already, like the hugest difference, it's been, about a month since I've been doing it. My curl pattern is coming back full force. I have noticed that my hair is getting a little bit longer and it's definitely stronger. So if you have not checked that video out, please go check that video out because this is like amazing. All right, let me take this ponytail out. I think I wanted to do a middle part. I've seen people do those and they're cute on Instagram. Is this straight? Is it in the middle? It's probably as good as it's gonna get. So I am going to take a little bit of Eco Gel, a little bit of Got To Be, and a little bit of Kiss Biotin Infused. I don't know, it's Edge Control by Kiss Child. I hate when a product has like too many words on it. Like, what are you? What are you? So I was going through like YouTube comments this morning to like respond to people that have been commenting over the past couple of weeks. I just think it's so funny because there have been like a bunch of like religious people in the video, my Get Ready With Me with my girlfriend, telling me that I'm going to hell. One girl wrote and said something like, there's still time for me to get a husband and some children. And I'm like, no girl, I got a wife and a dog. To be honest with you, this is exactly why I stopped going to church. In church, there's literally just a bunch of judgmental people who interpret the Bible the way that they want to. They try to say there are certain sins worse than the other. Like, nobody said anything when you were living with your husband or living with your boyfriend out of wedlock. Nobody says anything to you when you lie and steal, but the second somebody is gay, they're going to hell. Get out of here. I don't care what nobody say. God loves me for who I am. I don't like men and I do not like kids, so please stop trying to push that lifestyle on me. I don't try to push my lifestyle on anybody, so don't try to push your lifestyle on me. And if you think I'm going to hell, okay. Worry about where you going. Worry about where you're going. There's actually this beauty influencer that I used to watch all the time. Her name is Amanda Insing. I used to love her. I started to get weary of her when she came out of nowhere saying that she was Latina and she's half Puerto Rican and all of a sudden she has hips, but a dark tan, curly hair. Like, I literally don't know where all of this came from because when I just started watching her, she was just a white girl and she had never claimed to be anything else. But I actually really unfollowed her and said I'm done with her when she not even professed her love for Trump, because there's so many closeted Trump supporters that are YouTubers. Like, it's insane how many people support Trump. I just don't understand how she has turned herself into this huge victim saying that people are trying to cancel her because she's a Christian. No, you're canceled because you've just become such this hateful person. Everything on her page is just so hateful. it's just full of hate. And she's the one who's talking about, oh, I spread love, but uses Bible verses to condemn people when she sees fit. And what's crazy is the Christian community are so easily influenced that they literally be under her pictures like, oh my gosh, you're so right. I'm just like, do y'all not see that this girl is a false prophet and that she's using you to gain a new audience because the beauty community canceled her because she's hateful? Anyway, I don't know how we went down this road. Back to this ponytail. Okay, so now that I have laid everything down, I'm going to spray it with some holding spray. And then I'm going to put a scarf on for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to eat a snack. I need to hurry up and do my hair because Blossom is aggravated because she wants to go outside. All right, I'm gonna go get my snack. I'll see you in 15 minutes. The only nuts that I acknowledge. I have a little bun back here because this is actually gonna be really curly after I'm done brushing it out. So it should be able to cover the bun. I would have left my hair out because this is like my hair texture, so it should blend, but I don't know. I just don't be liking to have my hair out at all. Like humidity, just all kind of stuff. It's 90 degrees in Atlanta. I just would rather just not have my hair out and just have everything be covered up. So I am going to start wrapping this around my bun. I'm going to start off with one bobby pin. I don't use a lot of bobby pins because they hurt to me. So I'm probably gonna like stick a bobby pin in, wrap it around 3 or 4 times, and then stick another bobby pin in. But I know some people that like put like 3 or 4 bobby pins for every wraparound. I can't do that. I don't like it. When I went to go get my snack, my puppy looked at me like, bitch, let's go. What's crazy is she just got groomed. I'm like, girl, can I groom myself? Can I be cute when we go outside too? Also, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I have this double, like I folded it. It just makes it look thicker and it also makes it faster. Like nobody has time to keep wrapping this long ass track around and around 400 hours. And I low-key don't even think I need 2 bundles. I think I need 1. Huh. Well, we'll see when I brush it out. So my girlfriend is at work, but that video I did with her, the get ready with me when me and her went on a date, that video did really good. It was very successful. And if y'all want to see more of my girlfriend, that's all y'all had to say. We're actually going, well, she don't know this yet. I'm gonna let her know later. I really want to go see A Quiet Place too. So we're going to the movies later on this week. And if y'all want me to vlog that, let me know, because I'm just here to give y'all the content that y'all want, okay? I know that I've told y'all before, but I have like 5 or 6 more wig videos that I need to do. And then after that, I'm not gonna completely stop, but I'm not gonna do hair focused videos anymore. I'll accept hair sponsorships in like a vlog, and I'll do like 3 to 4 minutes of me installing my hair in a vlog that I'm already doing. But I'm not doing any more like dedicated hair videos. I'm just getting overwhelmed. And this is a beauty channel. It's not supposed to be like just a hair channel. So I don't want it to become that. I am gonna do 1 more bundle because I can feel this bun, so I know that you can see it. Also, I have a lot to talk to y'all about. I have a new segment that I'm gonna do on my channel called Gossip and Glam, where either I'm like doing my hair or doing my makeup and we're just gossiping about stuff. And the first video, I'm actually gonna film it probably in a couple days. I'm gonna do like Jordan Woods Glam, and we're gonna talk about like her situation with like Kylie and Chloe. And I'm gonna give y'all my opinion on the situation, and then I want y'all to give me y'all opinion on the situation when I post that video. I'm actually kind of excited about that one. All right, we're gonna keep the weft double, and we're gonna do the same thing all over again. I can feel that the bun is covered too, because I cannot feel that bun at all. All I feel is hair. So for the rest of this hair, I'm gonna take it and wrap it around like so. Take that, like the actual hair, and wrap it around so that you are covering the track. And then the final nail in the coffin. Now I'm gonna take, it's just some warm water and leave-in conditioner. Keep running my fingers through it, so I'm satisfied with how saturated it is. I have that curly U-part wig, but this one actually is like a kinky curly. So this is more my hair texture than that other one was. Although that other one is very pretty and I still wear it a lot. It just takes a lot of manipulation, blending my real hair with it. But if I wanted to do this as a sew-in, this would be more of like what my hair would blend with. Okay, I'm gonna take this Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. I'm just gonna spray my head so I don't look like a dry bitch. Have my lips been dry this whole damn video? Ciao. Thank you so much to Klaiyi. Like I said, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm gonna put it somewhere in this video. But thank you so much. I love this hair. And just so you guys know, I would never promote any hair that isn't good. I have made several videos with hair that ended up not being good, and I just don't post the video. And I let the company know that their hair is not good. I would never post a video with bad hair. Doesn't matter how much money you pay me, I will send it back. So if I'm telling you in a video that I believe that some hair is good, that is my personal opinion, and I stand by that. Let me get up and go and take my puppy to the dog park because she has an attitude right now. It's been like an hour since I paid any attention to her. So I have to go because clearly she runs my household. The princess has commanded that we go to the dog park. So we are walking to Piedmont Park in Atlanta, but she had to wait until I was done doing my hair. So thank you guys for tuning into my video. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Blossom, say bye. Say bye. She's literally like the worst filming buddy.